Welcome back to this channel. Good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Guys, in this video, I will share with you a job openings from Canada. It's a urgent job vacancies, and I will explain you how you can get job without any help of consultancy or agent. You can directly apply to the company, and you can process all the things by the company, and you can do online by yourself. So first of all, should know what is the job openings, how to apply. After that, I will explain you how you can get all the rest process. So let's move. The job is welder required in Canada. As you can see here, this is a skill jobs. You should have the specific skills as a welder. Then only you can apply. Still, I will explain you very shortly because the video will be long. So education requirements, secondary school graduation certificates, experience minimum 2 to 3 years of experience requirement, and you should have the relevant experience in this field. And if you have the relevant skill, you can apply as much as possible. And the email ID available here, you have to drop your all documents, passport copy, CV, cover letter, certificates, experience details, all the things in this email ID before this date. So move to next job, dairy farm worker. So guys, as a farm worker, Canada always famous for the farm worker jobs. So if you are interested to apply for this job as a farm worker, you can apply. No degree certificates requirements. The training will be provided in the joining period, and experience minimum of 1 year to 7 months if available. It's better than. And if you want to apply, you have to forward your all documents to the given official email ID before this date. Move to next job. Next job is Watcher required in Canada. So as a Watcher, you should have the relevant experience. So very simple, guys. There is no need of education requirements. They are hiring the candidates who is having the specific experience in the relevant field. So if you have the experience as a Watcher, you can apply as soon as possible. You have to apply by sending your all documents to the given official email ID. And also, if you are in Canada, you can follow up by this address. Also, you can send your all documents in hard copy with this address. So before this date, this is the last date of the application. Next is food service supervisor. So guys, to work as a food service supervisor, you should have the proper qualifications and experience. So for this job, you should have the secondary high school graduation certificate or equivalent experience, and minimum 2 to 3 years of experience as a supervisor in food industry. So if you are fulfilling these requirements, then you can apply easily by this email ID. You have to drop your all documents to the given official email ID before this date. Next, store manager. So as a store manager, you should have the experience as a store manager or as a storekeeper, and your qualification should be secondary high school graduation certificates, and minimum 2 to 3 years of experience requirement in store managing or storekeeping. Then only you can apply for this job by sending your all documents to the given official email ID before this date. So next, retail store supervisor. So guys, for this job, you should have the experience in a retail store or in a mall or any mart. So or any supermarket. So guys, your education should be secondary high school certificates and minimum 1 to 2 years of experience in the retail store or mall or any supermarket. So this is the experience and qualification is requirement, basic requirements. If you are fulfilling this requirement, then you can apply by dropping your all documents to the given official email ID before this date. So guys, today in this video I shared many types of jobs from Canada, urgent vacancies. Apply as soon as possible. As you can see here, there are limited time to apply. Don't be late, apply as soon as possible. First of all, you need to go to the descriptions below this video, and you have to collect the informations and read it carefully again and collect this email ID, and for which job you want to apply, you have to apply by this email ID. So let me tell you again what is the job openings very shortly. So as you can see here, retail store supervisor required, next store manager required, next food service supervisor required, next butcher required, next dairy farmer required, next welder required. So there are huge job openings from Canada, different types of job profiles. For which job you want to apply, you should have the proper qualifications and proper experience to apply for this job. So guys, please listen very carefully. There have limited time to apply. So if you will apply after the date, you can get a reply from the employer or the company. So please apply as soon as possible. First of all, you need to go to the descriptions below this video. You can get all these informations including the official email ID. Then you have to choose your job according to your profile and experience, and you have to apply as soon as possible. After you apply, the CV shortlisted process will be start. Once your CV shortlisted process will be start, once your CV will be shortlisted, you will get a notifications in your email for the interview. In that particular fixed date and time, you have to attend the interview. Then if you crack the interview, you will select and you will go through the further process. The further process will be done by the company or the employer. You have to submit all your documents, necessary documents. Then all the rest process will be guiding by the company or the employer from Canada. So first thing, you have to collect this information from descriptions and you have to apply. Second thing, you have to attend the interview in the particular date and fixed time. Once you success from the interview, the rest visa process will be guided by the company. So guys, hope this information will be helpful for your careers, and please share this information to your friends and relatives who want to move abroad with a job. This is the valuable information. I am always giving you the information regarding abroad job, latest job vacancies, and all other visa updates. So subscribe and like this channel to get updates about abroad job, and also try to share this information who really need a abroad job. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. In the next video, we will meet again with a new job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. Bye bye.